like a shadow shine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through without flight.
Hi there guys, and welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that intro that we just made. Me and my daughter went and did that, thought it'd be a little bit of fun, but just want to start this video off by saying an absolutely massive thank you to each and every single one of you for putting up with me the past year. I massively appreciate it, we all do. I am absolutely blown away with how this channel has grown. I'm absolutely love all the interaction I'm having with all of you guys, the nice messages on here, on Instagram, just saying how much you guys are enjoying it, and the nice messages saying that the videos I'm putting out are actually helping you guys, which is the whole point of what I'm doing. So thank you very much for the lovely messages. I'm pleased that I am actually helping and entertaining you. I thought we'd do a nice little roundup of all the best bits from 2020 and all the bits that I've enjoyed. I mean, this band's had a massive transformation, so I thought, why not just do a little roundup? So here's some of my favourite clips. Hopefully you guys enjoy.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video.
I think we have a fire.
Take my eyes.
We got ourselves side exit exhaust.
Why can't
That one. There's the original drop link. There's the new
my
one.
weight and clean?
That's the size difference.
World of make.
A slapping noise and then metally banging noise. This is my problem. Screw it. Let's try it. Hey, start! Absolutely stoked. I mean, it's still bleeding a lot.
I love
I'm
everything.
really pleased with how this is coming out.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's all.
Ended up getting myself stuck. Why have I done this? But we are out. There are a couple of our best bits. There's probably a few more. I just thought there was a bit of fun. That's pretty much it. Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Hopefully you guys have had a nice start to the new year and you're not too hungover. Yeah, this van's had a massive change. I mean, it started off just pillar box red, and obviously we've added the artwork to it, haven't we? Thanks to you. And obviously, as you very well know, we've obviously done the whole of the interior. This is going to be changing a little bit, mainly just adding, not changing to it. And then we've obviously added the quick release steering wheel, which is cool for no apparent reason. This is in the making. As of watching this video, that is the same as the last video you've seen, but as of you guys seeing this, that has probably changed because we're about to put a few more bits and bobs together to it. In fact, watch the next video. I'm not going to spoil nothing for you. We just closed the door in case the lighting's changed because it's a bit cold. It is 2 degrees. So we just thought we'd make this video for you. But next year we've got a few plans. We've spoken about the drag van that we're going to be making. That's still in hands, but where I am in South Wales, we're in complete lockdown, and in the UK it's all tier 1, tier 7, tier 50, whatever. So that is obviously being put on hold, but that is still going to be happening. I have a few things with my friend Tom. You've seen him in a few of my videos. He's got a woodworking company called Taru. Tom, please tell him.
Taru Creations.
Yeah, that Taru Creations. Well, anyway, I can't pronounce that, but he's very good at what he does, and we are going to be doing a few collabs together. Obviously the Dash tablet mount thing being one of them, but there's a few other things we've got in the pipeline which are going to be pretty cool, so look forward to seeing them. If you're not already following him, the information is somewhere, and I'll put it in the description below as well. Obviously 2020 has been a bit crap for all of us. I mean, we've had the
Floods.
floods, Australia was on fire, We had Kobe Bryant dying in that helicopter crash. We had the whole EU Brexit crap. We've had obviously COVID and lockdown. And I know quite a few of you are probably affected by that. I just wanted to say from us a massive thank you. And I hope 2021 is a bit better for you. I think one of the next videos you're going to see is probably that dash thing that we're doing. And something else that we got. Show you a little sneak peek. As you can see from VW Monkeys. Oh, that'll be another video. We've got quite a few things in the pipeline, so look forward to that. But from us, we just want to say a massive thank you very much, guys. We massively appreciate all of your interaction and you guys putting up with us, really. Look forward to 2021. And I think that's probably it. Just something short, sweet, and thank you, really. Let's look forward to 2021 and let's smash it. Anyway, until the next video, thank you guys.
If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, go hit that subscribe button. Take it easy.